Okay, so for today's problem, we are told to plot this polar coordinate on a graph and then convert it to rectangular coordinates. So when we're looking at polar coordinates, the first one is the r, which would be the radius. So it's going to move that way 3 from the origin. And then the second is the theta, so that is the angle that it moves. So here we have 5 pi 4 over 4, which we can tell by looking at it is a little more than pi. So when we're looking at a graph, you can view this as pi, and we're starting here and we're going around, and since it's a little more than pi, we know that this would be the correct graph out of the choices given. And then that gives us the plotting of it, and you can find the more exact coordinates when we turn it into rectangular. And then when converting polar to rectangular, the x coordinate will be r cosine theta, and the y coordinate will be r sine theta. So we just plug in the 3, which is the r, into the cosine, and then the theta, which is the 5 pi over 4 after. And both of these answers give us -3 square root 2 over 2. And then that gives us this exact coordinate. So you can see that's the more accurate plotting. And that is how you convert polar to rectangular.